Today, we're going to be starting our Disney prep and plan. Here's my little list so far, picking out rides and shows and snacks. Hello, it is a new day. My hair's changed again, as you can tell. I put purple in the bottom of my hair. You probably can't tell that good right now, but we are officially packing in this video and picking out outfits and all of the things. It's Thursday, we leave on Saturday super early in the morning. So random side note, I also found 2 pins that I don't know if I've shown because I didn't even put them on my backpack yet because they were on my desk, but it's a Pascal and Mickey Mouse like Polaroid little cuties, so I gotta put them on. The last update is I got another gift card, got the last gift card we need, and if we need more we can obviously just buy them while we're there. I guess what we're all here for is the outfits, which I have displayed back here. Let's get started. Okay, so for the first day is Animal Kingdom, so I thrifted this outfit actually, so there's just a tan bodysuit and the skirt are both from Target and they both had tags on, so that was pretty fancy. This is the option, but obviously I want to wear the animal print, but I just want to bring both options in case I don't feel like wearing this. It is stretchy and light and flowy, which is what we're going for because it's going to be between 85 and 95 degrees the whole time we're there. I don't want to wear much more than this, but I'm gonna try on these shorts and see. They obviously both work, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna bring both options to have if I don't wear the skirt one day. We also have a washer at our Airbnb, so we can wash all of our clothes anyway, so I'm not worried about double wearing things. Not double wearing, but maybe, who knows. I obviously want to wear this skirt, but worst case, or if I want to change throughout the day, we go back to our place and come back, here's the second option. I'm bringing a bunch of different colored socks, plain socks, so we can pick whatever one we're feeling for the day. The next day is Epcot, and this is where we have to figure things out. I have the shirt planned. If you saw the other video, I got this cute little dessert and drink and snacky bit tank top from TJ Maxx, and it was only $13. So let's get this on and then we gotta figure out the rest because I don't know what pants to wear with this, okay? I either have this black workout skirt thingy that's super cute, but I'm not sure how well that goes with that. So we have red shorts and green shorts. We'll just see which one looks best. Okay, so here's option 1. Oh, this is also a large, and I'm not a large, so it's a little big, so we're just working with it, but it was the only size they had, and it was like perfect for Epcot, and Sydney was the problem behind this. She made me get it. So here's option 1 for pants. I think it looks good, even though it's not the same green as like the stems and whatnot, but let's see what the red looks like. Okay, here's the red. It fits better, but is it the vibe? I'm not sure if it's the vibe. I feel like green is the vibe. I also have another outfit that I could wear with this. No, I don't, but I'm gonna take these anyway, just in case I have another outfit I'll show you later that I might wear it with. I'm just gonna bring it as a backup in case I don't want to wear. You'll see later. Here's the black skirt thingy. Like from in the camera, it looks good, but here in real life, I'm not sure. I actually like this mixture the best, but like I said, we have a washer because I was thinking about these for another outfit. Maybe, I don't know. So it's either the green ones or these, but I'm leaning towards these. Okay, the next day, not the next day that we're going, but the next day that I'm planning is Hollywood Studios. So I have this dress. It's just a spaghetti strap, but I was thinking this is my plan for every day because it's going to be so hot. Wear tank tops until either I start to get sunburned or want to wear a shirt. Whatever. This is the base layer. The other ones were tank tops, but I have Star Wars ears that I've made. Then at night we're doing Fantasmic. When we go and come back, I don't know what time it'll be, but I have an outfit change for that. I also have a shirt option for this that I'm going to put in my backpack in case, like I said, I get burnt or something. And this is it. So if I just put the shirt over this skirt, dress, it'll look like a skirt shirt. So that's what I'm gonna bring as a backup option in the backpack. Again, this is where we have to figure other stuff out. First, that's not gonna change, is this Fantasmic shirt. My sister made it for me and I just love it. I've been loving the Sorcerer Mickey Love him. So I'm wearing that at the night while we go to Fantasmic. Then I have 2 pant options. One is comfortable, one is not, so I obviously feel like I know where I'm gonna lean, but this is super cute. Just a skirt. It's very Disney-y, but I feel like I'm just gonna wear the biker shorts. Let's see though. Okay, I already love it so much. Look at this. It's just like at nighttime, because Fantasmic is late. I'm not gonna be wanting to wear a dress or a skirt or anything. Just for fun, let's see what this will look like. Cute, but not the vibe for nighttime. This is like a daytime look. This is a daytime skirt. And it's not daytime, we're gonna be comfy at Fantasmic. I think this is definitely the vibe. Look at it. This looks like a Fantasmic outfit if you ever ask me. Also for ears, for Animal Kingdom, the day that we get there, we're going to Disney Springs. I went over this in the first video where we were planning everything. We're going to Disney Springs right when we get there, the first day before Disney World. And we're going to World of Disney, and I want to get the plain black leather ears that everyone's been getting. Everyone's been getting. Just because. I think it's cute how people do the bows, but I also need basic ears like for this. I don't have Fantasmic ears. I don't have ears for Animal Kingdom either. They're either Star Wars or I have Haunted Mansion ears. I'm also making ears for Epcot. Cute. It's like a little picnic basket, picnic theme that I'm not done with. That's something else I have to do today, but all I have to do is add the bow to that, and that's what I'm gonna wear with the Epcot outfit. You know, like snacks, picnic theme, cute. Or the last day that we have to figure out is Magic Kingdom, and this one's gonna be tricky. And I'm gonna do a day outfit and a night outfit. Okay, so I don't know exactly what order I'm gonna wear things yet. We're just trying to figure out outfits for this. But it's just a cute little workout tank top dress. And obviously the Haunted Mansion ears. This is a vibe, a light summer outfit vibe for Haunted Mansion. But the problem is I have a lot of options for this day. So let's go through the rest, and I can just bring them to have just in case. And here's the second outfit idea. Super cute. And this is the other option that I had the plain red shorts for, but I feel like when you're in Disney, be crazy with patterns, so I feel like I would pick this because I like it a lot. Something about buffalo check and Disney is a vibe, so I might bring these just to have as a backup. I might bring them for sleep shorts and then also be able to wear them. But the problem is, I got this from the thrift store. It's this cute little skirt with overalls, and it's like Snow White theme. So now what do? The only problem is I don't have a shirt that I would wear this with. Like, I don't have that figured out, what I would wear this a shirt with this. Also, with my Haunted Mansion outfit, I have to wear my Haunted Mansion Loungefly, and in my brain for some reason this bag was falling apart. Okay, it is back here, but it's because it's leaning on my back. But the front, where everyone sees, is not falling apart, so this is part of the Haunted Mansion outfit. Even if nothing's in it, because we are taking our park bag that you saw us pack already. One more thing I have to figure out is Animal Kingdom Day closes earlier than the rest, so I probably don't need to change, but again, I have a lot of stuff I can choose from and just wash. Epcot, if we go and come back, I feel like I don't want to be wearing that tank top all day. It's just the vibe I'm already getting. So let's see what else we could put together. Because the shorts I can wear, I have lots of shorts that I can switch out throughout the week, but I don't have a lot of shirts. But I have this brown tank top that I wanted to bring. Here it is, it's just a plain brown tank top. I might bring this and wear the short of the Animal Kingdom shorts option with this for Epcot, or if I want to change for Epcot. I'm bringing this just to have, but I don't have a specific day I would wear it. I'm just bringing this other tank top dress as a backup option for any of the days I feel like it would be okay. So I'm just gonna bring that as a backup. The last thing I wanted to show you is this. I'm not wearing it to any park, but like a sleep shirt, come on. Also, technically another option I have for Magic Kingdom, I got this a long time ago at one of the Disney stores. It's a tank top Mickey Mouse dress. I feel like I would have to pick this outfit or this to bring. Do I just bring both? Wait, maybe, okay, since I don't have a shirt to wear with this yet, I don't know what I would wear with this that would be comfortable enough for the Florida heat. I might just take this for now, for the day that we have off. Or in replacement of this for Magic Kingdom. Either one. Okay, so I think that's it for outfits. Also for River's outfits, he literally, his Star Wars is his favorite all-time movie. people all the time get him Star Wars things. So he has probably enough shirts for every day and more of Star Wars shirts. So he can figure out which one he wants to wear every day. He also has a Star Wars hat that he probably will bring to go with some outfits. And then he just wears casual shorts. The only day he might not wear Star Wars for is Animal Kingdom, because he even has some Star Wars shorts. So you're just gonna have to watch the vlogs to see what he picks out every day. These are his options he wants to bring for Animal Kingdom. The shortest shorts you could ever see, but they are very Animal Kingdom. But for my outfits, I think that's all. I have packing cubes that we can start to put together. You know, I've thought about it. I need an outfit for our travel day. I might wear this for our travel day, because the first day we get there, we're going to Disney Springs. So we are going to a Disney-owned place, so it wouldn't be too weird, okay? I think I'm gonna wear this for Disney Springs. And then Magic Kingdom is one of the last days. It's the third day, but the day before is the rest day where we can wash clothes. So if I feel like I might want to wear this, I might wash clothes and be able to wear it again. But I think I'm gonna wear this for Disney Springs. Good idea. Here's how we're looking so far, and as you can tell, it's only like halfway full. If you watched the last vlog, I was saying how sometimes we pack differently in the little travel, like the big reusable tote bags that grocery stores give you, or that you can just buy from like TJ Maxx and stuff. This trip we're traveling with a lot of people. There's literally every seat full in 3 cars. We have to make sure we're packing efficiently because everyone else needs room too. That's why this trip we are packing a little bit differently, actually using a suitcase, but as you can see, there's still a lot of room, and the only thing left to really pack is our snacks, which are gonna sit with us in the car, and our toiletries. But if you've seen our toiletries bag, that's barely gonna take up any room in there, so that's good to know that we have extra room. I'm probably gonna take my blanket like usual, but I also have to check on the packing list because I haven't done that. All I've done is pick out outfits. So maybe we should pull that up really quick, see how we're doing. And again, we do have all day tomorrow. So I was just filling up this a little bit until I'm just putting in the outfits and everything we've already packed in there, because we still have all day tomorrow. Outfits, we can check off all of them. Toiletries, I'm not worrying about yet. We still have all day and tomorrow, like I said. Ooh, we can do some of this. I updated the toiletries bag in the last video. If you watched the last video, I was saying how the toiletries bag needed to be like cleared out. There's empties and restocked and stuff like that. So I just did that off camera because it wasn't that much. It was just getting annoying. Electronics, we're not gonna pack right now. I had ears. Right now I'm waiting for the glue gun to heat up, and then I'm gonna finish all the ears and see who wants what, and then be able to pack my last ears that I'm making. Park bag we've packed. I'll show you in the video right now of what I was putting in the park bag, and then I'll just tell you what I was putting in there. So obviously we're gonna have ears in there, but I'm gonna change them out every day. But the basics being in the park bag every day will be the pair of ears for the day, the fan / charger, the pin backs, sunblock, hand sanitizer, reusable straws, liquid IV, sunglasses, band-aids, lots of hand sanitizing wipes, lots of hand sanitizer. River has a tree nut allergy, so I'm making sure that I have Benadryl. I just also switched over a lot of stuff from my normal purse bag to it that I don't have on this list. I have my Loungefly, and in it I put our Disney gift cards so that I don't forget them, my Disney earrings so I don't forget them. Everything that I might forget that I'm just walking around the room seeing, I'm just grabbing and throwing in the Loungefly bag. Last minute things that we're gonna do is like all the electronics. Again, we're gonna do all this tomorrow night. I don't think there's anything else we can do other than that, all the outfits are packed. That's the biggest stressor. The rest is just not necessities, kind of, but like the vlog camera, batteries, chargers, phone chargers, laptops, all of that we don't need to worry about until tomorrow night. So still on the list is to finish all the ears, which I'm almost done. I just have to add the bows on, do my nails, and that's it. The outfits was a big stressor, but it's all done now. So it's just gonna be like grabbing random things that I see and throwing them in the bag. So I got a whole nail kit for Christmas. Oh, look at my rank nails. And I was thinking of doing white, but there's a lot of other Disney type nails in here, so I don't know what we should do. I'm either wanting to do white or this like dark mauve-y color, but also look at this purple color, but I don't really have any purple outfits now, do I? But my hair's purple, so I don't know. Part of me really wants to do like black, white, black, white, black, white, a pattern. Hello, it's currently 5:45 in the morning and we're on our way to get our grandparents,
Tennessee.
And I did not vlog, we did not vlog anything of us packing up because we had to work all day yesterday and we did all that this morning, so it was chaotic. But we're gonna end the packing vlog now and start the first Disney vlog travel day. So make sure to like this video if you liked it, comment anything down below that you want us to know, and we'll see you in the travel vlog.